Imagine walking out of your home and finding your car gone, stolen in just minutes by criminals who know how to bypass even the most advanced security systems. It sounds like a scene from a thriller, but it's a reality that many car owners are facing today. From notorious gangs like the Kia Boys and Hyundai Boys to sophisticated hacking techniques, we're revealing how thieves are stealing cars and what you can do to protect yourself. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our latest content. Let's dive into the world of modern car theft. In recent years, car theft has become increasingly sophisticated, with thieves employing advanced technologies and tactics to steal vehicles. Gone are the days of breaking a window or hot-wiring a car. Today, thieves are using high-tech tools to bypass security systems, and their methods are more varied and complex than ever. One of the most notorious groups making headlines is the infamous Kia Boys and Hyundai Boys. These criminals have been particularly known for their brazen and audacious Kia and Hyundai vehicles. Let's break down how they operate and what makes their techniques. The Kia Boys and Hyundai Boys gained infamy for their ability to steal certain Kia and Hyundai models with alarming ease. The vehicles they target, particularly those manufactured before 2022, often lack advanced anti-theft features like immobilizers. Immobilizers are designed to prevent a car from starting without the correct key, a feature that many older Kias and Hyundais lack. This vulnerability became widely known in July 2022 when a video surfaced on TikTok demonstrating how to hotwire these vehicles using a USB connector. The video sparked a wave of thefts as the method showed how easy it was to start these cars without a key. The process involves inserting a screwdriver into the ignition switch and manipulating it to start the engine. Some thieves also use an iPhone charger or similar item, mimicking the shape of a key to bypass the ignition system. This exploit is particularly effective on models from the early 2010s to early 2020s, as these vehicles are often not equipped with more advanced anti-theft measures such as immobilizers, which read the key's radio frequency and code. Following the viral TikTok challenge, thefts of Kias and Hyundais surged dramatically. According to the National Insurance Crime Bureau, NICB, thefts of these vehicles soared from 1,207 in 2019 to 6,120 in 2022, with a significant increase occurring in the latter half of the year. Missouri, in particular, saw a dramatic rise in thefts, with nearly 5,000 incidents reported after the social media challenge went viral. Chicago has also seen a spike in Kia thefts, with local law enforcement reporting 613 Kias stolen in just the first month and a half of 2023. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, has reported at least 8 fatalities resulting from stolen vehicles involved in crashes, often related to joyrides or police chases. The NHTSA has urged platforms like YouTube and TikTok to remove such how-to videos to prevent further incidents. Now that we've covered the basics of how the Kia Boys and Hyundai Boys operate, let's explore some of the more advanced techniques car thieves are using in 2024. These methods involve sophisticated technology and can be quite challenging to detect. First, let's talk about radio frequency receivers. These devices can capture signals from a car's key fob even from a distance. Thieves use these receivers to clone the signal and gain access to the vehicle. By capturing the unique signal from a key fob and duplicating it with a signal cloning device, thieves can unlock and start the car without needing the actual key. Another technique involves hacking into a car's electronic systems. Modern vehicles have multiple electronic control units, ECUs, that manage different functions, such as ignition and locking mechanisms. Thieves use specialized software and hardware to interface with these ECUs, overriding the vehicle's security systems. Thieves may use tools like OBD2 onboard diagnostics devices to connect to the car's diagnostic port. By accessing the vehicle's data bus, they can manipulate systems to unlock doors and start the engine. One of the most concerning methods is the relay attack. This technique uses two relay devices to amplify and transmit the key fob signal. The first device captures the signal when the key fob is nearby, and the second device amplifies and relays it to the car, allowing it to be unlocked and started. Relay attacks can be performed from a distance, making them hard to detect. Thieves can target vehicles parked on the street or in driveways without needing physical access to the key fob. Another advanced method is the CAN bus hack. The CAN bus, Controller Area Network, is a communication network used by modern vehicles to manage internal systems. By accessing the CAN bus, thieves can manipulate various functions like unlocking doors or disabling the immobilizer system. This technique requires sophisticated equipment and technical knowledge but can be highly effective. With all these advanced techniques in play, you might be wondering how you can protect your vehicle from being stolen. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to enhance your car's security. First, consider investing in a high-quality steering wheel lock. While it may seem old-fashioned, it remains an effective deterrent, especially against thieves who rely on quick, opportunistic methods. The physical barrier can make it significantly harder for them to steal your car as it disables control of the steering wheel. Another effective measure is using a Faraday pouch to store your key fob. These pouches block radio signals, preventing relay attacks by ensuring that your key fob signal cannot be intercepted. Additionally, installing a GPS tracker in your vehicle can help recover it if it's stolen. Modern trackers often come with real-time tracking and alert features. Upgrading to a modern car alarm system is also a good idea. Many new systems come with features like motion sensors, glass break detectors, and smartphone alerts. These features can notify you if someone is tampering with your vehicle, giving you a chance to respond quickly. If your car has keyless entry, you can disable this feature when it's not in use. Many vehicles allow you to turn off keyless entry through the settings menu or by using a specific sequence of actions. This adds an extra layer of security against relay attacks and ensures that your vehicle isn't vulnerable to signal capture. Finally, always be vigilant about where you park your car. Choosing well-lit, secure areas can reduce the risk of theft. Parking in a garage or using a secure parking facility can further protect your vehicle from opportunistic thieves. For those looking to take their car security to the next level, consider consulting with a professional security expert who can assess your vehicle's vulnerabilities and recommend additional measures. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific car model and its security features. Also, there are several car security apps available that offer features like real-time location tracking, vehicle monitoring, and alerts for suspicious activity. These apps can provide added peace of mind and help you stay informed about your vehicle's security status. In summary, while car theft techniques have evolved, understanding how they work and taking proactive measures can significantly reduce your risk of becoming a victim. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and take steps to protect your vehicle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on keeping your car safe.